Let's talk about radicals. Today, I'm going to show you easy steps on how to add or subtract radicals. We have the first problem in letter A. It's very obvious that the radicands are the same. The given is 5 square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2. This is the radicand. Okay, the same with the other radicand. And the operation that is indicated in here is addition. First, simply copy the radicand. Then, get the sum of 5 and 3. So 5 plus 3, that's 8 square root of 2. This is now the final answer for number 1. For the second problem in letter B, 8 square root of 7 minus 2 square root of 7. Okay? The same radicand. And the operation that is indicated here is subtraction. So let's copy the common radicand, then get the difference of 8 and 2. So 8 minus 2, that's 6 square root of 7. This is now the final answer. Now let's proceed with the problem in letter C. We have 3 square root of 2 minus square root of 8. This is understood that the numerical coefficient here is 1. But no need to put it because that's understandable na. Since we have different radicands, we have square root of 2, and this is square root of 8. Just get the factors since this is composite. Although 2 is an even number, but it is the only even number that is considered as prime. Okay, just simply copy 3 square root of 2 minus, okay, factors of 8 wherein one of the factors have square root. And that is 4 times 2, right? 4 times 2, it's 8. Now, copy this 3 square root of 2 minus. So the square root of 4 is 2, meaning you have to put outside 2 and then copy the remaining number inside the radical sign. Or we have the same radicand. Okay, since they are common, just simply copy the radicand, which is square root of 2, and then subtract 3 and 2. So that is 1. Or just simply write square root of 2. This is now your final answer. For the fourth problem in letter D, we have different radicands again. We have square root of 3 and square root of 27. Now, since square root of 3 is prime number and there's no other factors except 1 and itself. So just simply copy negative 2 square root of 3. Then plus 3 and think of the factors of 27 wherein one of the factors have square root. So of course, it's 9 times 3. So let me put here 9 times 3. Okay. Copy. Negative 2 square root of 3 plus 3. And then get the square root of 9, which is 3. And then copy the remaining radicand, square root of 3. Then simplify. Negative 2 square root of 3 plus 9 square root of 3. Since they are the same, simply copy the radicand and then simplify them. Negative 2 plus 9. So their sum is positive 7. So this is now the final answer. For the last problem, we have negative 3 square root of 18 plus 3 square root of 8 minus square root of 24. All of these three radicands are even numbers. And at the same time, they are composite numbers. So all we have to do is just think of the factors wherein we can choose one of the factors that could have square root. Okay, let's start with 18. Of course, if it is 18, the possible factors are 9 and 2. And then with this, so 8, 4, and 2. With this 24, it's 4 and 6. Okay, let's now start. The square root for 9 is 3. So put the 3 outside and copy the remaining 2. In here, the square root of 4 is 2. Then copy the remaining 2. And for the last, the square root of 4 is 2. Put outside and copy the remaining 6 because 6, the square root for it is a decimal number. So then copy this 3, including the original numericals. So we have negative 3, and then we have 3. 3 square root of 2, then plus 3, we have 2 square root of 2, then minus 2 square root of 6. Simplify. Negative 3 times 3, it's negative 9 square root of 2 plus 6 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 6. So the only radicands that are the same in here is the first and the second. So meaning, since they have the same radicands, just simplify. Negative plus 6, which is negative 3 square root of 2. Then you cannot combine this square root of 6 to square root of 2. They are very different. All you have to do is just copy it. Remain it as the answer. You cannot simplify it anymore. So meaning, our final answer is negative 3 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 6. I hope you understand my explanation. Thank you so much.